Hey there, Tim and Aratuma back at you. So I got another flashlight from Wuben, and this is the PL-01. So I haven't opened this yet. I wanted to do that with you. Now Wuben did send this to me, but they're not telling me what to say. They did send this to me free of charge, not telling me what to say. They're not giving me any kind of payment for doing this review. If they do give me a discount for this, I will put it in the description, so please check the description. What I thought was pretty cool when they asked me about this, they sent me a link to it first, and this is the Wuben PL-01 Pen light, and at the time of this video, it's $19.98. It's a limited time deal, 30% off. So it's at $19.98. So 20 bucks. It's for a pen light. It's pretty good, especially 650 lumens. Rechargeable. It's got a bright LED pen light. IP68 handheld flashlight. I use a pen light every day at my work as a pharmaceutical maintenance tech, and I brought my work one home. I currently use, I use the Streamlight Stylus Pro, and this is only about 100 lumens. So it's decent. I mean, I use a lot of times I'll actually put this in my mouth to look up over a ceiling, above a ceiling or something, and check it. So when Wuben messaged me, I was pretty excited because I use a pen light literally every day. Please remove the battery insulation sheet before using it. Okay. You're seeing this firsthand like me. So this is the Wuben PL-01, and it's got one thing I noticed right off. This has a clip for your hat. Let's see if I can get a closer picture than that. So this is a double-sided clip. You have one part of the clip right here, and then you have another part of the clip right here. So a double-sided clip. So that's pretty cool. And then it is just a tad, actually no, they're the same size. They're the same size as the Streamlight, and it's actually almost exactly the same height too. They're very, very similar on that. And so let me take this part off. It says there's something covering the battery. Yes, right there, there's a blue deal covering the battery. So let me, there it goes. Okay, so now on this flashlight, like the Wuben E8, looks like you actually you take your battery out to plug it in on the USB-C right there. So that's kind of different. I hope I put it in there right. Yeah, it's actually got a little diagram right there. Compatible with 2 AA batteries. So you can actually, wow. Okay, 600. So here is the, I'm going to do my overhead. So this, this one's shining off the other one. So this is the,
gotta get me one of those.
Right here, this one is the Streamlight Stylus Pro, and this one is literally blasting it out, so it's way, way brighter than, it's hard for you to see that because I see the major difference in here, but this one is way, way brighter. So let me turn this one down a little bit. That's low, medium, high, low, medium, high. And that's 650, 100 lumens. So now this one does get a little warm. It is a little warm. It's not to where you can't touch it, but it does get a little warm. This one doesn't get hot enough to, or even bright enough to really show that. So I think I just made this my new work flashlight. And you can tell the difference in the size of the LEDs in there too. That one has a little hot diagram right there. So Just a really cool flashlight. And like you've heard me probably say before, I'm a sucker for a good flashlight. It has a Type-C charging cable. It has a lanyard. And if I can get this stuff open. Small charging cable. Small charging cable. You do not get the block with it. The charging block. And it's got a little lanyard here. I probably won't use this. You have 1 lumen. So you can see that. You have 1 lumen. 50 lumens. 150 lumens. 650 lumens.
Very shagadelic, baby. Yeah!
There's 4 levels, which is really cool. Again, that's actually on. That's 1 lumen, 50 lumens, 150 lumens, 650 lumens.
No way!
What I like about this is it's super ultra compact. It's a pocket friendly design. The pen-like ultra thin body pocket flashlight. It is 5.31 inches by 0.59 inches. And the weight only weighs 1.59 ounces. It easily fits in your pocket, your backpack, or on the go, which is really cool. Again, if they give me any kind of discount code, I will leave that in the description. I just wanted to show this to you. They've been coming out with some really decent flashlights. Again, I use these every day. I wanted to share that with you. I really do like the clip on here too. I don't usually wear a baseball cap, but if you do, that would be a definite plus for me. I might have to start wearing one just so I can use that. Or you can clip this in your pocket so it doesn't come out your pants pocket or whatever. If you're getting good value out of my channel, I appreciate if you go down there, hit the like and subscribe button. You'll get notified when I post a new video or go live. This is Tim and Eric Tuman back at you.
I'll be back.